move is already facing criticism and promises of legal challenges, including from the state of California. KSBY News reporter Dustin Kleeman joins us live with how our governor and attorney general are responding to today's declaration. Dustin?
Well, good evening, Richard. It was made clear today in that press conference that the state of California decides that it will move forward soon with a lawsuit against the Trump administration and that national declaration. I spoke with a political science professor at Cal Poly who talked more about the political path ahead and what lies ahead also in the court system.
I want to do it faster. I could do the wall over a longer period of time. I didn't need to do this, but I'd rather do it much faster.
President Donald Trump reiterated his want for a border wall on Friday, but his words may be used against him when California and other states take the emergency declaration to court.
Oh, I think that they can have enormous impact. The nature of the emergency powers is such that there are very clear guidelines.
Michael Latner, an associate political science professor at Cal Poly, says the president's declaration doesn't hold up.
This is a political decision that after facing a defeat, that the executive is going to invoke power to do what it couldn't do in Congress. It's such a clear violation of the intent of the law.
On Friday, both California Governor Gavin Newsom and Attorney General Xavier Becerra agreed that the declaration is invalid.
In fact, he can't do this because the U.S. Constitution gives Congress, not the president, the powers to direct dollars, the power of the purse.
It's interesting that we are standing here today talking about an emergency when $12 billion was appropriated by the House of Representatives, and the Senate and the President are not moving that money to not only California for disaster relief, for real emergency.
This is exactly the sort of thing that the separation of powers was designed to restrict. So we really find ourselves in a pretty historically unique period right now.
Latner and other experts have warned the use of the power could lead to other situations, such as a possible change in 2020 if a Democrat were to take power. Issues like climate change, gun reform could come up in national declarations. As well as the discussion tonight, Latner tells me that this could be in record time in front of the Supreme Court. We'll be watching it. Live and local in San Luis Obispo, I'm Dustin Kleeman, KSBY News.
All right, Dustin, thank you. California officials are reviewing the financial impact the declaration could have on the state.